Cosquín Rock Festival is a famous festival in Córdoba, Argentina. We chose this festival because we hope to go there soon. This festival is performed from 2001 until today. It takes place during 5 days in Santa María de Punilla, Córdoba. During this festival, there is music and different bands of national and international rock, fireworks and food. There are about many people every year in this festival. It's very popular in my country because very much people like rock and love this festival.
In this festival, there are 3 kinds of stage. One stage for rock, another stage for soft rock or alternative rock, and another stage for heavy metal. People can go from one stage to another looking at the various bands that there are performing in this stage. There are different bands every day in this festival. Many people buy the tickets and